Hey guys, Chi-Chi here. Oh, welcome back to my channel, Chi.Chi.Luxe. Today I have a very exciting unboxing from none other than Fenty.com, darling. I have been stalking this item since I saw it on Rihanna back in the beginning of April. Girl, I was on it. I haven't opened up the box because let's talk about the shipping, yo. The shipping though, super dumb quick. These dropped on a Wednesday and I ordered it. It was here by Friday. I was shooketh. This is my first piece ever from Fenty.com, so let's look at this presentation, darling. Wow. This is, that's luxury. That is luxury. Then at the bottom, I'm guessing this is the receipt that it's got a envelope holder. And then the box. Rihanna, are you coming out with fragrance? Because this box smells so good. If this is a Fenty perfume, I'm gonna let you know right now I'm buying it because this smells delightful. Anywho, this is just my proof of purchase that you get in the envelope. I cannot get over the smell. My fragrance on, they love my smell. It's that Fenty. Let's get into this box. Like, Louis Vuitton doesn't even send out bags. When I order luxury items, I want a shopping bag with it because if I'm giving it as a gift, I don't want to put it in a 99-cent bag. No, I want them to know it is luxurious, darling. Okay, all right, I'm gonna stop smelling. Here is the Fenty box. I love blue. Ooh, darling. Ooh. As you can guess, it is a pair of sunnies. We have the nice magnetic closure, and I ended up getting the coated sunglasses. This is in jet black. I don't know where the other arm plastic is, but baby. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Don't talk to me. I'm basking. Ah! Okay. Yo, I've been stalking the Fenty site since Rihanna had that red do-rag. I didn't care what she had on. I wanted to know about these sunglasses. These are fabulous. You got the Fenty on the side, all black, everything. What was really cute is that right here, they're cutouts right here. So it gives it a little something extra. Oh, bitch. Let me put them down so you can see me. Oh. Yo, I'm souped as hell. Let me give you the deets. So these are the coated sunglasses in jet black. I already told y'all that. These retail for $340 and I think they were absolutely 100% worth it. I'm so happy that I waited for these to drop because yes, I'm going to talk to you with these on the entire time because they're just that cute. But originally I wanted the trouble sunglasses and they were kind of like the small rectangular ones that you look cute when you see half your eyes and half the sunnies. Those are cute, but I love a full sunny, just like, oh, excuse me, what? So I knew once I saw the picture, it was over for me. It was over. I already knew this is what I wanted. Now they do have another pair of sunglasses where I'm like low-key, high-key. I kind of want it like yesterday. The classified sunglasses. I'm just like, girl, like, pow. Pow! Trigger. Pulled. Those have like a gold arm on it. There's something about a black frame with gold details that just sets it off real nice, and I'm just like, oh. Like, oh, you can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Before I get ahead of myself, right? Here's the SKU card, just in case you want to get these sunnies. I'm gonna have all the information down in the description box, but it also does come with a lovely little booklet. And of course you have a nice little cleansing cloth, you know, so these haters can't see your eyes, but you know they moves. I don't know what's wrong with me today. I'm in a good freaking mood, but So the filter on this is a category 3. I know that some of the lighter ones either have little protection or no protection at all. So this one will protect your eyes from the UVs and the sun and the haters, of course, because, you know, but look at me, look at me. Oh, watch when I pull my hair back. Oh, y'all ain't gonna know what to do with your girl. Look at that. Damn, these are cute. So I'm gonna continue to stunt. You're gonna continue to watch some of my other videos, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.